children, today we are going to start with chapter 7, that is minerals. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the different minerals that are found. We have divided minerals into two parts, metallic and non-metallics. Metallic जिसमें metal present होता है, non-metallic in which metal is not present, right? Then I will tell you about the conservation of minerals. So let's move to our chapter now. What are minerals? These are the substances which are found in rocks. राइट, रॉक्स में जो मिलता है, इनका डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ मिनरल्स हैं, कुछ मेटालिक है, नॉन मेटालिक है, राइट. मेटल्स, some minerals are found in the ores in the crude oil. Minerals provide raw metal for various industries like coal, mineral oil, natural gas. These are used as the source of energy. Now our next topic, that is metallic mineral like iron, copper, silver, gold, manganese, aluminium. What are these? These are derived from minerals. These are used for producing atomic energy, right? उसको हम एटॉमिक मिनरल्स कहते हैं, लाइक यूरेनियम एंड थोरियम. कॉपर, इंडिया जो है वो पुअर है इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ कॉपर. क्वालिटी ऑफ कॉपर इज फाउंड इन इंडिया इज आल्सो पुअर. It was used for making tools and utensils. And copper was probably the first metal used by early men. Nowadays, the main use of copper is to make electric wire because it is a good conductor of electricity. Right? कहाँ मिलता है? राजस्थान, झारखंड, बिहार. खेतरी इन राजस्थान इज फेमस फॉर कॉपर माइनिंग सेंटर. खेतरी जो है ना राजस्थान का, वो कॉपर माइनिंग के लिए जाना जाता है. नाउ आयरन, इट इज द मोस्ट यूजफुल मेटालिक मिनरल. इट इज कॉल्ड ब्लैक गोल्ड. इंडिया इज फेयरली रिच इन द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ आयरन ओर. ये आपको बिहार, झारखंड, उड़ीसा, मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, कर्नाटका, गोवा, तेलंगाना, आंध्र प्रदेश, इन रीजन्स में देखने को मिलता है. टू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट आयरन ओर माइनिंग सेंटर्स आर सिंहभूम in Jharkhand and Mayurbhanj in Orissa. Iron is changed into steel by mixing it with some other mineral and removing carbon content from it. Right? Iron और steel दोनों ही क्या है? Basic और key industry है. Why? Because it provides machines and tools to be used in other industries. Right? Aluminium, if we talk about, it is obtained from bauxite ore. It is light metal. Second most important metal after iron. And in this metal is made after iron and it is used for making what? Utensils, bodies of aeroplane. Bauxite is found in Gujarat, Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra and Bihar. Then we have manganese. It is used to make steel from iron. It is mixed with iron to make steel, used in some medicines, batteries. ये आपको कर्नाटका, बिहार और आपके कुछ मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र और उड़ीसा जैसे स्टेट्स में देखने को मिलेंगे. राइट. मीका लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर कौन है? इंडिया है. 60% ऑफ द टोटल वर्ल्ड मीका इज प्रोड्यूस है. लाइक इट इज यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंडस्ट्रीज. और आपको झारखंड, बिहार, आंध्र प्रदेश और राजस्थान जैसे स्टेट्स में देखने को मिलेगा. नाउ लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट द नॉन मेटालिक मिनरल्स लाइक हियर कोल एंड मिनरल्स. व्हाट आर दीज? दीज आर द मोस्ट important non-metallic minerals. First is coal. It is the major source of energy and it is mainly used in smelting iron ore. ये आपको thermal electricity generate करने में use करा जाता है. Coal was used in railway engines. Railway engines का use diesel and electrical engines. बिहार, झारखंड, उड़ीसा, वेस्ट बंगाल, छत्तीसगढ़, महाराष्ट्र and आंध्र प्रदेश. These are known for the coal mines. Now, mineral oil, if we talk about, it is becoming more and more important as the source of energy because it is mainly used in transport sector. Right? Various products from crude petroleum, like our petrol, diesel and kerosene, these are obtained and they are used in the petrochemical industry. Right? Now, Digboi in Assam is the oldest oil field. A few years ago, mineral oil was discovered in Bombay High. It has now become major seashore mining region. The other important oil fields are your Nehar Kate in Assam and Ankleshwar in Gujarat. There are oil refineries in most of the states of India. Some of the important oil refineries are at Mumbai, Haldia, Baruni, Bihar, Kochi, Kerala, Digboi, Assam, Mathura, UP, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. You have to learn all these states. And Vadodara in Gujarat, Guwahati in Assam. The other mineral sources of energy are natural gas, uranium and thorium. और जो आपका यूरेनियम और थोरियम है, दे आर यूज्ड टू जनरेट एटॉमिक एनर्जी. Now, conservation of minerals. So, as we know that minerals are non-renewable resource, so we must conserve them so that we can use the existing mineral resource for a longer period of time. Metallic mineral can be used again by recycling, but non-metallic minerals such as coal, mineral oil, natural gas, they can be used only once. To conserve mineral sources of energy, we must try to use non-conventional sources of energy like solar and wind energy. राइट हम किसका यूज करते हैं नॉन कन्वेक्शनल सोर्सेज का और कौन से हैं नॉन कन्वेक्शनल सोर्सेज विंड एनर्जी एंड सोलर एनर्जी राइट नाउ आवर चैप्टर हैज बीन कंप्लीटेड होप यू अंडरस्टूड वी विल मीट इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास थैंक यू